Joe, thanks for coming back. This is the 4th or 5th car you've brought to us now?
I wouldn't want to go anywhere else because I know the quality of the work that you do here, Bill, is always extremely good. I would say it's excellent. I have not had any issues with any of the cars that I brought in here, and I recommend you highly to anyone that will buy a car or a truck or SUV or anything that they want to protect and maintain. And I honestly will always speak very highly because I have not had the slightest bad experience with your operation at all.
Thanks.
And you're a good guy.
I appreciate that. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, you got a lot of nice vehicles, and we love having you come in the shop. So thanks for giving us an opportunity, Joe.
Thank you.